kids' creativity. Click here to subscribe.
Hello friends, we say hello. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play with these colorful dominoes. Yay, colorful dominoes. Yay. Ruhi, can you tell me why do you love to play with dominoes? It is played by putting dominoes one by one like this. Ruhi making tower. Wow! We can also make towers with dominoes. It's okay, try again. Look, the line is made. Now,
Let's make a long row using domino.
are you ready? Yeah! Okay, 1, 2, 3, start! I make it fast. Oh, wait. I will wait for Ruhi. Wow! We are using orange color. Oops, I forgot to make mine. Like this. Okay, stop. Wow! Now let's touch it and make it fall. We will press it on one side. Oh yeah! Hooray! Now it's time to make a tower. Let's see who can make the tallest tower. Yeah! Are you ready, Ruhi? Yeah! Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Start.
Make towers. Oops. Do it slowly or it will fall down.
I can make a big tower, but it will be hard for Ruhi. Now she's sad.
You small area. I make it more bigger. Be careful. Okay. Funny है. Funny? Does it look like funny?
I made a big tower, but it was very hard for Ruhi. After many practice, she made a big tower. She was very happy, but it suddenly fell down. Aww. I hope you loved the video. It was very fun to play with dominoes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.